Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to make automatic blind stick using Arduino. I have this Arduino. I will share the link in my description to buy this Arduino and other accessories using this project. So let's get started. So before starting video, I request to all, please like my video, share my video, comment on my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Friends, we will need this ultrasonic sensor. I will give description link for this accessories. This is ultrasonic sensor. It has connected 4 jumper wires. It has 4 pins as you can see. Tie this on a pipe, PVC pipe, so that after making we can use also. So start. So Arduino is also tied using these clips. Now we have connect the wires. The first trig to the 5-volt supply, this 5-volt. Second is trig to pin number 9. Now this echo to pin number 10. It is connected now, and the last jet is ground. Connect this to ground only. Friends, now we have to connect buzzer. This is a buzzer. Now connect it. First to ground, negative wire to ground, and this positive wire to pin number 11. Now tie this buzzer with cable. Tie it like this. The buzzer is also tied on it, and now take a LED bulb. Take this LED and connect to pin number 13 and ground. negative to ground and positive to pin number 13. It's connected. Now take 9-volt battery, connect battery on the top from where the person handled that stick. So as you can see, I have connected 9-volt battery also. Now take the battery connector and join cable pin in it to get the output from the Arduino. Connect battery pin and at last give this supply to Arduino pin to get the output. As you can see, LED glows and ultrasonic sensor. The coding I do in this is given in description. Go and do coding. So now cut the extra wires and then test. Friends, now time of checking our blind stick. So friends, as you can see, our blind stick is working. So thank you for watching my video. So friends, I request please like video, subscribe my channel to get latest notification from my channel. So thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.